Alright, so you want to know how to quickly upload a video on your YouTube channel. Now it is so simple. But just before I let you know how to upload a video in this very quick video, there are some requirements you might need for you to upload video successfully on a YouTube channel. So this video I'm creating is for people who create content on video and are having a problem to quickly upload a video on YouTube. Now, some of the requirements you might need before you load a video, of course, number one is you'll need the video itself. You're going to need a title for the video, some links, if for example you have some affiliate links or whatever links to, for example, links to your social media account. You might need those links, and then be a brief video description of what the video is about, not a must, but you should have them. And then some video tags, again, not a must, but it's also good to have them for YouTube SEO. All right, so those are the requirements you need to upload a video successfully on YouTube. So quickly, let's see how you can upload a video very fast on YouTube. Now I am on my YouTube account here. This is on my channel. So so long as you're at home, YouTube home, then there is this button. You see this button here where I'm hovering my cursor. Then there is this camera with a plus inside it. If you click that, it gives you a drop down of upload video or go live. So just click on upload video. So simple. If you didn't grasp that, just go back some few seconds and you'll see what button to click to upload a YouTube video. So once that is done, you're going to be brought to this this page, and then of course now here you can either click the select button here to select the video you want from whatever file your video is. So just click that and then you go to where the video is, or alternatively what you can do is you can just simply drop the video here. For example, let's see. So this is my video that I want to upload on YouTube. So just drag it and then drop it there, as simple as that, and the video is halfway done. So upload there, we've already uploaded the videos on YouTube. So what you need to do now is to do some of these things. For example, title here is required. So that's why I was telling you initially you need to prepare some of these things in advance. So for example, I already have my title here. So just come and copy this title and then I paste it there. Very simple. So just paste the title there, and then you scroll down a bit to get to description again. So just come, because I already done this description. Now in the next few videos I'm going to show you how to do some of these things. For now, because this video is a brief one to show you how to upload, let's just go quick overview on how to upload a video. Then of course you scroll down, then here you bring a thumbnail. So already you're also supposed to have your thumbnail ready. So you click here and then it will bring you where you can go and get your thumbnail, and then like that you continue. You give it a playlist. If you have a playlist, you can just give it a playlist there, or you can create a playlist. If you don't have, you click here, it gives an option of creating a playlist, so you can create a playlist if you want. And you can always skip this part, or you can click no. If it's not for kids, just say it's not for kids. If it's for kids, just say it's for kids. Age restriction not important. Now please remember to click these more options. So click on more options there. If your video has some paid promotion, kindly mark this box. Now tags, very important. So already I have my tags. I'll just come here and paste my tags, or maybe type them if you don't have them. You can just type your tags like that. I'm also going to show you more about these tags and stuff, and pretty much that is for the rest of this. And then category is important. So if you are someone doing affiliate marketing on something online, how and style always works best. People and blogs works best. So those two, how and style, people and blogs, works for your category. Then just click on next. In the next video I'll show you how to add edit screens and cards. Cards are those things that pop up at the top right of YouTube videos, and then but it's not a must. Then you just click next, and then now here is now where you put it either publish the video that private, and listed, or public. So private of course is only for private use, and listed I'll show you in the next video. And then mostly you're going to do public because you want people to watch your video. And then you can schedule your video here. If for example you want your video to start running say for 3 days, you can just schedule it here. And then once you're done that, just click on schedule, or if you didn't schedule it, if you didn't schedule it there, then it'll just tell you to upload immediately, and just upload immediately. As simple as that, and you've got your video uploaded on YouTube. If you got some value, you can remember to subscribe. Now in the next video, I'm going to show you how to do these things in depth so that you understand exactly how each button works and the importance of having things like tags, thumbnails, and YouTube description. Again, if you've got some value from this video, remember to subscribe, and see you in the next video.